Well, when BTC moves, and it moved. Great move out of BTC, up basically 10% since we last made a recording, since I last made a recording. Almost directly after that, the next hour, it started on this gargantuan run, 11% now, up as high as about 12%, I would gather. So almost 12% run and on BTC in the past 24 hours. Good stuff. Welcome to Altcoin Buzz Trading. I'm Randy. We'll be going over our same tokens that we've been going over, and things are going well for the most part. Not everything is doing great, but a lot of things are doing great. BTC up really well. We got my follow through day signal yesterday, which is a 5% update on volume higher than the prior day, and what a good volume day it really was. It was almost double average volume. That's an amazing signal. You don't get them very often, and it'd be good if we were to have another one today, which we're definitely capable of. With 11 hours left to go, we could see higher volume than yesterday. I think that's possible. That would be an immediate accumulation day, which would be really, really nice. So yeah, this is good. It's hard to buy up 11% though. 11% in 24 hours, it's really hard to buy. Small consolidation would be best right now if you're looking to get into something. Now, we did just kind of have one of those over the 2-hour time frame. We had a bit of a stalling candle here, inverted hammer, not quite a spinning top. We came down and we just started chunking up, and we did break it very recently. So this is potentially a buyable situation right now. You want to try to go under that candle, which gives you about a 3% stop loss. And ideally, we'll just keep marching forward. All that tight price action that we've been discussing paid off. Tight price action, explosiveness, very good stuff here at a BTC. And the whole market responded in kind. Most coins are set up. They may not be moving, but they're set up. So let's go through our alts: Solana, BNB, KCS, and Filecoin, and then we'll probably have a new batch tomorrow as things kind of sort themselves out. So Solana didn't really launch out. This is still consolidating inside of the cup and handle pattern, which is a good thing because it means it's not too late. I think that's really important to not be late to these moves if you don't have to. Now, the early entries are gone. We talked about here. We talked about here. We talked about, buying lower because it's low, but you're low in a cup and handle pattern, which is a good thing, trying to buy low in the handle. I mean, you can have a stop you can hold on to for a long period of time. So if you're in a spot position, it's a little tough even at 11.3%, but you could take a half position if you want to. You could wait for a pullback if we get one, and then try to find something there. You could also try to go down here, which is a 9%, which is a little bit wide. But if this is we just got a follow through day, maybe you give yourself a little bit of grace and go 9% stop loss. Won't hurt you to go there once. But I think Solana is a large leader. It will move just when it wants to, okay? Things move when they want to. We don't have control over them. If you think you do, you are a fool. They move when they want to. All we can do is be there for them, kind of like our kids. You can only be there for your kids. You can't, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. This thing ain't trying to drink. Okay, so BNB still continuing the uptrend, marching upwards from the 367.20 and doing it in a good fashion. Just continuing on, and with the market just starting to get going, you can imagine this will hit this 49% measured move target at about the 468 level, and we're at 399, so that means you still got about 20% to go. Now, in terms of a buyable situation, where do you put a stop loss up here? It's not extraordinarily clear, to be honest with you. I would try to give it 5% from here if you're looking for it. But this has been a really good trend so far, and I imagine it's just going to continue. Volume aggregation tool looks really good on a lot of charts right now. KCS is starting to move a little bit. Now, we're not seeing a tremendous amount of volume step in, but we're above the 10.6, and looks like we're handily above it. There's a small cup and handle right here, and we get going out of this, and then you're going to see that move up towards recent highs and hopefully beyond. Remember, this thing went from 4 to 14. We're breaking out here from 10, so what's possible in this chart? We got highs up here at 30. That'd be a 200% gainer potentially for KuCoin. But just a nice move up, and I think we'll get another nice leg up in this thing. And then Filecoin, this is the last one we've been talking about. I'll do some new coins tomorrow. 7981. So this one not really moving that much, unfortunately. A bit of a what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Not quite disappointment, but not moving so much. Some distribution. Could get moving again, though. Pretty good tight price action along this. And I do think we're capable of popping up. Whenever this volume decline resolves itself, we'll probably start moving again. But you're just going to have to kind of keep on top of Filecoin if it's one you're looking at. So, but all in all, good stuff, I think, across the market. Nothing bad by any stretch of the imagination. So try to, if you buy something, make sure you have a good stop loss, make sure you have a good buy point, and then just try to ride it, try to stay with it. Go with strength, go with early movers such as BTC. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm out of here. You guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.